Alright guys, welcome to another section of design for this class. So I believe by now you have different design layers, and then by now you should be able to come up with some certain designs per se. Alright, so let's get right into it. Once again, I'm Shedrack Oluwafemi Adebayo, and I'm a graphic designer and also a graphic design coach. So today we will be going on flyer design, a random design for weekly. Let's say you are building your Instagram or Facebook page or WhatsApp. You want people to just get familiar with you, with your brand, and with what you do. So graphic designer does this in order for people to recognize them. So you can just see people say TGIF, thank God it's Friday. Some people can say okay, happy Sunday. Some people can say happy new month. That's common. Happy new year. You see graphic designer do that a lot. So this is an example of what that is. Joy. Maybe this can be on Monday or Sunday, irrespective of where you want to use it, but it is based on joy, and then the code below, and then we complete the design in few minutes. Alright, so let's get right into it. So the first thing we always do is to disable all that we have here. Alright, so just like always, we have our white background, and then so we come here to create our background color, and then this is white already. We just click on gradient. Alright, so I created the gradient, and this is the gradient green. So how do we get this green? We make this color. Okay, let me do it so that you get it. Alright, so okay, let's use this now. For example, this is deep green and this is light green. Let's bring them to edge. So you click on this, and then you click on plus. Give us more, a little bit. You increase this. Okay, you increase this, and then you make this a little bit dark. If you get what I'm doing, it's too dark. Bring it up a little. So I think this is a little bit dark. Okay, and then we have this light. Exactly. So here we have what we have. So this is the first step to the design. You create the background using multifaceted color, just one color in different formats. So remember, you increase this, and then this will be at the middle. The one at the middle will be the one that source out light, the light green the most. Alright, so you click on OK, and then we are good to go for the background. Alright, so the next thing we come here to do is to come up with the other background. If you know how to import background, right? So in order to save our time, what will I do? All I will have to do is to just simply put in the background. Let me just simply put that in. Alright, so here's our background. So what did I do? I increased the background so that it will fit in for the screen, and then I change the color first to something that blend a little bit. Let me reduce the opacity so that will give me, so can you see, something that blend. I make it a little bit blend, and then I click on OK. So after I'm done with this, I pin the design. I pin it. So I locked it up, and then the next thing we have to do is to import our picture. Not to waste our time, I'm not going to go ahead and import the picture. I'm just going to can you see? So you know how to import picture. Okay, in case you don't know how to import picture, let's just go ahead and do it. Let's delete this. Let's go ahead and import pictures. So we're going to come down here. Okay, download. Then you see here we have our import pictures. So I increase it to fit in what I want it to fit in for. Alright, and then I pin it so that I'll be able to click on another thing. So the next thing is to type in joy. To type in joy, and then this. So we have our joy here. Then let's change our font. Joy, the font. Okay, let me see the font we use. Okay, I think this is the font. Exactly. So you can see at the edge of G, the down part of G cut. So we're going to go for padding. Then we increase it exactly. So we have our joy ready. Do you have your joy ready? Of course, we have our joy ready. Alright, so we come to gradient and put in colors that we want. Okay. You should know how to do those colors now. The same thing. We are using the same procedure from the start. Just click on OK and then give it stroke. Let's make it white stroke. Then make it 5. Okay. So we are doing well. I think the color we used for this is blue. Right? Let's see the other join. Okay, we use blue. Alright. Let's make this blue. This blue. This blue. Okay. Good. Let's increase the stroke a little bit. So what was the stroke in? Okay, 9. Let's make it 10. So it will give us some certain feelings that we want. Alright, joy. So the next thing you will want to do is to create shape. Go ahead and create shape, and then let the curve, the radius be 5. Let the radius be 5. And then after the radius is 5, inner shadow. You give it inner shadow and you click on this light black. You can see it's not full black like this. No, it's light one, very light. So can you see it will give it some certain emboss in it. Alright, so we give it shadow at the back as well, but the shadow we have an angle now. We make it a little bit offset and down, and then we reduce. You are going to make that color not black like this. You are going to make it like this, offset, then down. That's to offset. Let's make it 10. Let's make it 15. Alright, so here we have what we have. So all do we need? We just need to simply this. Let's put it up. Okay, what we need to type in it simply. So a happy life must be a great. Sorry for that. So here we have it. When you click on this, and then we are good to go. So the next thing you are going to do is to type the other one, joy. Not joy now. Okay, the other one, the pictures, and then stay joyful. So can you see what is going on here? The picture, which is this, and then stay joyful. So where is the picture? You see it up here, and then stay joyful. I think this should not be up, it should be down. So here we have our work done and dusted. So submit your assignment as appropriate. or if it is to replicate the design, please go ahead and replicate the design in a more profound way. So don't just send in one designs like this, one flyer design like this. Make sure you replicate the design in different form that you think is suitable. That's how you get familiar with the applications. So when you are submitting this kind of assignment, I'm not expecting you to just submit this kind alone. Formulate another design with the same thing, with the same write-up, and then you will see how you can improve and how others can as well learn from you. Alright, so let's go ahead and do assignment and submit at the appropriate place. See you at the next video. Or don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you have not. There you will find a lot of informations and design ideas that you will need, and you will also be aware when my free books, free mock-ups, free resources, ideas are out. So see you in the next video.